North Japan, the road less travelled for most tourists. There's so many hidden gems just waiting to be discovered, with half the numbers in tourists and lines for popular hotspots. Today, we finish up in the beautiful city of Sendai and head further north to Aomori, the northernmost prefectural capital city in Honshu, Japan's main island. Aomori is most known for being the host of the spectacular Nebuta Matsuri, producing some of the best and sweetest apples in Japan and experiencing the extremes of all 4 seasons, boasting beautiful landscapes and nature for your northern travels. But first, let's visit the morning markets in Sendai to pick up some last-minute treats for the journey ahead.
Alright, we're out here in Sendai Market, morning market, and it's at this vegetable patch. But look at all these variety of mushrooms.
Yeah,
I've never tried any of these. Actually,
look at
I think I've tried these.
Never, they're kind of like an enoki, but different colour. They're very vibrant.
More gigantic.
Yeah, more gigantic.
And it looks like it's just a bunch of vegetables, but they're looking actually really ripe and delicious. And Japan is known for its expensive fruit, but this is actually a reasonable cost. Even the rock melons. Well, actually this one is $44 for $40. $50 rock melons. What justifies from here to here? I don't know, I'm scared to find out. But yeah, just looking around the market today. I noticed the eggs are really white here. And they're really orangey, so it must be the breed of chicken. And yeah, really nice range of fruits and vegetables. Alright, let's go to the next store. Mochi.
Mochi?
Mochi, and it doesn't really tell me much about the flavour, it just says sweet.
Yeah.
And to try it early, so...
It looks like sakura, but I don't know what suama means.
It just says sweet.
Yeah.
So it does say try it early, and it is early for me to eat. It's right around 8 o'clock, but I'm going to try it. Alright, let's see. Okay, it's very soft, powdery. Looks like the snow we saw yesterday.
What does it taste like?
Almost tastes like just plain icing sugar.
Oh really?
Cool.
But it's very soft, very sticky rice-like.
Okay. I'll try some.
Can't get into
Alright.
mine.
Quite good. It's not really too sweet. It's probably like a 2 out of 10 on sweet.
Yeah. It's just mochi. But it's nice. Got a nice texture to it.
And you're struggling with opening the package.
I I actually can't get. It's taken me quite a few minutes.
Yeah, I like
And
it.
then there's a
Yeah, it's not bad. Very light flavour.
Alright.
Alright, Rachel's gonna try hers. What? Oh, matcha red bean.
Yeah,
That's a great combo.
I haven't had this before.
Oh, there you
I've
go.
had it with the strawberry.
How do you like it?
Yeah, I do. I like it.
Yum. And the red bean's not too sweet, yeah?
No.
Yum. And you're demolishing
It's
that
quite
one.
good.
job.
Alright, you want to first
No,
go?
no, you have it.
You can eat here,
Oh, okay,
anything,
yeah.
and oyster. Oyster is too fresh to taste, and biryani and iwak.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Biryani here. Iwak is located north of Milan.
Oh, yeah.
Taste and salty and creamy.
Oh, this one's creamy.
Yeah. Try this one.
What's this one? This one's salty.
Salty, yes, because too much seawater.
Ah.
And small and small size and a pure seawater.
Okay, I'll try one. Yep.
Yeah.
This is a thick oyster.
Yeah.
Alright.
Don't get it on yourself.
I think it's a one biter.
Yeah. How is it?
Just creamy.
Yeah.
It's like milk.
What
Seafood
sauce did you
milk.
have on?
Had a bit of soy sauce. Bit of wasabi. That's it. Yeah.
Nice.
Very oceany flavour.
Yeah, that's good. As you like it. Alright, we're just here at the
Most Bakery.
the Most Bakery and Coffee.
So we ordered 3 items.
Yeah, we got some pastry items.
Melon pan,
Yep.
which I'm going to try first. Then we've got the honey and cheese over here.
Yep.
And some egg muffin
Bacon.
bacon thing, which apparently is number 1 on the
Okay,
list.
let's
So
try
we'll
it.
try this. It's actually nice and warm. You can feel the crunchiness in your hands. Oh,
Is it good?
oh my
I
god.
can see that sugar like glistening.
Oh man. Great day, great way to start your morning.
Yep.
Sugar-filled pastry.
Goodness. So we're only staying in Aomori for one night. We're trying to pack as much as we can into it. I think next time, I think I've said this before, but next time we travel, probably gonna book a longer stay in the smaller towns just so we can really explore, get the most out of it, because 2 nights isn't enough, 1 night isn't enough. But we've actually got a rental car when we get up to Hokkaido. So we're picking it up from Hakodate and then driving up to Sapporo. We just went out and checked out the market here. The market was cool. All the food places weren't open, but the actual fresh food, vegetables, the fish market and stuff like that, that was open. There was a lady there that spoke really good English and she was super nice. She said that she lived in Aomori for about 30 years. So yeah, it was cool. We're still got a fair bit of time left in our journey, so we're gonna get ready to check out and get the day started. Alright, we've just got this treat. It's egg rice, and it looks like it's wrapped in bacon. It's got the soy sauce. It's so damn good.
That's a 10.
Going in with a big bite.
Get the egg yolk. Oh yeah, that's a good bite.
Oh, I should have got like 20. I've got it all over my face, don't I?
Yep. I've got tissue here.
Yeah, do time.
And then when next stop
Yummy.
Oh,
That's a good experience. Yummy. So next on the menu, we have pork cutlet.
got a nice open tab.
Yeah, they just do things better here.
That's very satisfying.
It is very satisfying. It just makes sense. How is it?
That's good. I really like soy sauce, sweet soy sauce taste. But that's good.
How's the meat?
Pretty tender for being cold.
Okay. The sweetness to it. The sauce is sweet. The journey from Sendai to Aomori is just under 3 hours via the Shinkansen. Once you arrive, you can immediately feel the fresh breeze of the seas surrounding Aomori. And within walking distance of Aomori Station, you'll find a trove of key sites and attractions that Aomori has to offer. Known for its production of high-quality apples, the A Factory is a hub for all things apples, eggs, and deliciousness. With apple-themed goods, ciders, restaurants, and gelato, check out the A Factory for some seriously sweet treats.
Gelato. So these apples here in Aomori are known for its size, sweetness, and just the versatility.
That was so nice.
So here I've got like a mixture of sweet and sour.
Is it good?
Oh,
Can I try it?
it's more creamy, that one. Yeah, I've got more, I think, sweet.
Yum.
Oh.
Yeah, there's heaps of stuff here. How much stuff there is. Just across from the A Factory, you will find the Nebuta Museum, an iconic exhibition celebrating the spectacular Nebuta Matsuri, the summer festival held in Aomori in August of each year. Local teams build and parade the festival's enormous lantern floats through the streets, accompanied by large taiko drums, musicians, dancers, and fireworks. You'll find a ton of information on the history and origins of the festival in the museum, as well as actual floats used in previous celebrations. This is just huge. Even the detail of all the little fishies. Yes. Yeah, the ones with the dragons are very cool.
Oh, you can watch it. Look at the nails. That's
So
cool.
sick. If you're a fan of seafood and rice, we've got the perfect spot for you. Check out the Furukawa Fish Market, also known as the Aomori Gyosai Center, where you can create your very own seafood donburi, also called nokkedon. To make your own rice bowl, you'll first purchase tickets sold in sets of 5 or 10, pick up a tray, purchase a bowl of rice, and begin your culinary adventure. Each ticket can be exchanged for items around the market, so just tell the vendor what you want and they will add it to your rice bowl. And with that, our one night in Aomori was done. I think next time we're in Japan, I'd like to stay a little longer to venture out into the other beautiful locations within Aomori Prefecture, like Hirosaki Castle, Takayama Inari Shrine, Ashinopa, and Sannai Maruyama Historical Site. Join us next time as we jump across the pond and make our first appearance in Hokkaido. We hire our first rental car and experience an unfavorable mishap in a drop toilet in the park. 5 men who are retrieving it. They're looking for it. And the boss actually just rocked up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel if you're new, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. I'll see you on the next adventure.